Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sliding mitt in MLB The Show. These essential pieces of equipment offer both protection and a slight boost to your player's abilities when sliding into bases. There are a few primary ways to add a sliding mitt to your inventory, mainly by actively playing the game and opening various reward packs. Let's dive into the details of how you can secure one for your player and enhance their performance. One of the most common ways to earn a sliding mitt is by playing through Road to the Show. As you advance your player's career, you'll encounter various challenges and missions. Successfully completing these can often reward you with new equipment, including sliding mitts. Remember to regularly check your player's equipment locker under the Baserunner Protective Gear category to see what you've unlocked or can equip. Another excellent avenue for acquiring a sliding mitt is through Diamond Dynasty. Participating in its numerous challenges, programs, and events can yield valuable equipment packs. These packs often contain a variety of gear, and with a bit of luck, a sliding mitt could be among the rewards. You can also purchase certain packs from the in-game shop, which sometimes feature equipment as a primary offering. To maximize your chances of getting a sliding mitt, play consistently across different game modes. Keep an eye on the in-game marketplace, as some mitts might be available for purchase with stubs, the in-game currency. Prioritize missions and programs that clearly state equipment as a reward. With a bit of dedication, you'll soon have your player equipped with a stylish and protective sliding mitt, ready for the base paths and aggressive plays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.